For medical rounds, they are the future of medicine and treatment. We're talking about clinical trials and what we've learned from them. The Hartford HealthCare Cancer Institute is the chapter member of the Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Alliance, giving patients at Hartford HealthCare access to hundreds of these clinical trials through the MSK Alliance. And joining us now to talk more about that is Dr. Patricia DeFusco, a medical oncologist at the Hartford Cancer Institute. Thanks for being here tonight, Dr. DeFusco.
Thank you, Denise.
First, let me ask you, how vital are clinical trials in advancing medicine?
Clinical trials are extremely important. Clinical trials are systematic studies that help us to investigate the toxicity, the potential effectiveness, and possibly the superiority of an experimental agent over a standard agent. Clinical trials are critical to help us in oncology find treatments for patients that are more effective and less toxic.
So they can lead to better treatments and, who knows, maybe even cures. And since we're talking about clinical trials, Dr. DeFusco, we understand there are 2 new clinical trials underway right now at Hartford HealthCare through MSK for breast cancer patients. So can you tell us about those 2 trials and who might be eligible?
Yes, certainly. Thank you. The 2 trials are for women with early-stage breast cancer. The first is called the PALLAS trial, and this is for women who have estrogen receptor-positive breast cancer. So these women receive standard treatment, which will be surgery, radiation, maybe chemotherapy, and when they go on their endocrine therapy, they're randomly assigned to either just endocrine therapy alone or endocrine therapy plus a drug called Ibrance. Ibrance is a drug that's newly FDA approved that in the advanced cancer setting significantly improves the benefit that people receive from hormonal therapy. So we're hoping that this will elicit less recurrences in women with ER-positive breast cancer. The second trial is for women who have triple-negative breast cancer. In triple-negative breast cancer, the only treatment option we have is chemotherapy. So women, again, are treated with standard treatment, surgery, radiation, and chemotherapy, and their tumor cells are tested to see if they contain a protein called the androgen receptor. If this protein is present, then these women may go on to receive a drug called enzalutamide. This is a drug that's been used in prostate cancer and blocks that androgen receptor protein. And again, hopefully it will result in fewer recurrences of breast cancer in this population.
Dr. DeFusco, we have seconds left, and I just have to ask this question for anyone who's listening right now. How does someone get involved in a clinical trial? Can you tell us briefly?
They need to speak with their physician, and if their tumor type is one of the types that we're looking for in a clinical trial, they can be offered a trial.
Wonderful. That's so good to know. We thank you so much, Dr. DeFusco, for that great information and telling us about the latest research underway.